Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with one more new video, and in this video I am going to unbox a gaming monitor from Acer. So let's get started. So I'm trying to peel off this box and open it up. I am so excited about this gaming monitor. It has got very cool features. So it's the Acer Nitro VG240Y model. It has got 0.5 ms response time, and it has got 165 Hz refresh rate. And here we have the power cable which connects directly to monitor and to power supply. Here we got some user manual and a warranty card. And here we have DP cable, that is a display cable, which also supports the built-in speaker. This monitor has almost bezel-less display, and also features a prong style stand, tiltable display with a beautiful IPS panel, and also a full HD resolution. And this is the mounting system for a stand, and this is the stand where the monitor sits with help of this one. I don't know what to call this. You just use the screw underneath that prong to tighten it up, and it's very easy to install. Now let's take it out our monitor. It comes with a cool packaging in a polythene bag, and yeah, be careful while you handle it, in case if you make it fall to the ground, it's gone. So here we have our cool monitor. You can see it's almost completely bezel-less in all three sides, and a bit of bezel at the bottom. That's not an issue actually. And this is the backside look. You can also wall mount if you have some necessary mounting system for that, but for now I'm going to use the stand which came along with the monitor. Take your time so that you won't damage the monitor. Just align the stand in the right way and push it in. It will clicks and locks in place, just like that. Make sure you did it properly, and we are done installing it. Just need to plug in the cables and